Modjoul has developed a bilateral collision avoidance forklift safety solution that alerts the pedestrians and the forklift drivers whenever they are in close proximity. The solution comprises of three elements: a forklift module, driver box, and a pedestrian smart belt. The forklift module contains the sensors and the ultra-wideband chip that allows for proximity detection. It is connected to a driver box that sits in front of the driver, allowing them to visually see the warnings along with hearing the alerts. The pedestrians wear a smart belt for proximity detection. When in proximity to a forklift, the pedestrian devices trigger with vibrations and audible beeps. The forklift halos are separated into two zones, the caution zone and the danger zone. The caution zone is shown through yellow lights while the danger zone is red. These halos can be adjusted and customized based on customer needs and forklift speeds. Modjoul has also developed an ingenious solution which allows associates to work in safe zones, areas that are in close proximity to forklifts but the pedestrians are safe. Using beacons, the perimeter of the safe zones are established and recognized. Alerts are temporarily suppressed on both the forklift module and the smart belts. When the associate exits the safe zone, all of the devices are powered back on. With all of this information, supervisors and employees gain access to real-time insights through the Modjoul dashboard. Having access to these analytics, supervisors can identify potential safety gaps and proactively implement training initiatives to ensure the well-being of their employees. Along with safety analytics, the Modjoul forklift device provides insights on forklift utilization. Each device is assigned to a forklift which is tracked individually by the hours of usage per day. This enables them to make data-driven decisions for a more efficient workspace. The Modjoul forklift safety solution sets a new standard in workplace safety.